Most people with the opportunity to witness the remarkable display of devil interaction would only be able to do so on a recording or in the confines of a wildlife sanctuary or zoo enclosure. My name is Tahlia McDermott, and today I will discuss with you the Tasmanian devil as an endangered species. Even though these animals are native to Australia, it is almost impossible to catch a glimpse of them in the wild. So why is this so? Psychophilus harrisi, or more commonly known the Tasmanian devil, is currently a critically endangered species of Australia. Let's take a look into the past to identify why this may be. Prior to the 20th century, the Tasmanian devils flourished and they were found in all areas of the Australian continent. To early Australian farmers, they were seen as a pest, and most of it killed or driven away. From overextensive hunting and the introduction of dingoes into Australia, the Tasmanian devil became locally extinct from the mainland, only to be found in the South Island state of Tasmania. In 1941, the devils were placed under the Protection Act for Endangered Species. But predators and human impact weren't all that the devils had to face. Since the 1990s, the devil numbers have drastically reduced due to the devil facial tumour disease, and in 2008, devils were officially recognised as an endangered species. Unlike cancer seen in humans, the devil facial tumour disease is transmissible through devil interaction, spreading from bites, from feeding, playing and fighting. Current research is being undertaken to understand the origins of the disease and to combat the spread of infection through the species. It is thought to have originated due to the lack of variation in the devil genome, and by generations of low breeding variation. Various conservation centres have been constructed to establish a healthy pool of devils that haven't been exposed to the disease, to help populate the devils once more. With all of these threats to its survival, why is it so important that we protect the devil? Along with being an adorable, iconic figure of Tasmania, they are also the largest living carnivorous marsupial. They are the keystone species that act in maintaining a line of defence against introduced animals such as feral cats and the red fox that prey on our native species. As scavengers, they play a vital role in the removal of dead and diseased, sick and slow animals from the landscape. By joining me on Friday the 23rd of May at the University of Newcastle, we can help support the conservation and rehabilitation of our adorable little critters. Just by coming along for a barbecue lunch where all proceeds will be donated to the Taronga Zoo Devil Appeal. It's hard to imagine a world without some of our favourite little critters, so let's do what we can now to protect them, our native animals, for the future generations.